Welcome to one of the world's most advanced automated brick factories, where raw earth transforms into structural stone. Every single day, this massive industrial facility processes thousands of tons of clay into durable building blocks. The entire operation spans several acres, featuring a highly synchronized network of heavy machinery and conveyor belts. From this central control room, engineers monitor every stage of production using advanced digital scanning systems. Our manufacturing journey begins at the open pit quarry, where massive excavators dig deep into the earth. Heavy-duty dump trucks transport the raw, unrefined clay directly to the factory's primary receiving terminal. Gigantic mechanical claws scoop the raw material into hoppers to begin the initial sorting and inspection process. Technicians pull regular samples from the conveyor belts to test the mineral composition and moisture levels. Laser scanners automatically detect and remove large rocks or impurities before the clay moves forward. The approved raw clay drops into massive primary crushers that break down large chunks into smaller pieces. High-speed conveyor belts transport the crushed material into towering industrial rollers for fine grinding. These enormous metal cylinders exert immense pressure, pulverizing the clay and shale into a uniform, fine powder. The powdered minerals pass through fine vibrating screens to ensure no oversized particles remain in the mix. Next, the fine powder enters a giant industrial mixing chamber, where water is precisely reintroduced. Massive rotating paddle shafts blend the mixture until it reaches a highly uniform dough-like consistency. An industrial vacuum pump extracts trapped air bubbles from the dense wet mixture to prevent structural weak points. The de-aired clay is continuously forced into a heavy-duty extruder under immense hydraulic pressure. A continuous solid column of dense clay emerges from the extruder die, perfectly matching the brick's dimensions. Texturing rollers stamp the outside of the moving clay column to give the future bricks their classic rough exterior. The long, continuous clay block glides smoothly along a lubricated steel roller bed toward the cutting station. A high-speed automated wire cutter slices through the moving clay column with mathematical precision. Dozens of perfectly uniform green bricks are formed instantly with every swift stroke of the tension wires. Automated conveyor separators gently split the freshly cut bricks apart to ensure they do not stick together. High-tech robotic arms, equipped with specialized vacuum grippers, carefully lift the soft green bricks from the belt. The robots stack the unfired bricks into precise, open patterns on massive steel kiln cars to allow optimal airflow. The loaded kiln cars slowly roll into massive holding chambers for a controlled atmospheric pre-drying phase. Over several hours, computer-controlled dehumidifiers extract excess moisture to ensure the bricks do not crack. Once dried, optical inspection cameras scan the surfaces of the bricks, flagging any microfractures instantly. Pneumatic reject arms swiftly push any imperfect bricks off the line to be recycled back into the primary mixers. The approved dried bricks now enter the heart of the facility, a massive, continuous industrial tunnel kiln. The bricks slowly advance through zones of intense heat, reaching peak firing temperatures of 2,000 degrees. This intense heat vitrifies the clay minerals, permanently fusing them into incredibly strong, weather-resistant structural units. After exiting the cooling zone, robotic unloading systems gently lift the fired bricks off the hot kiln cars. Automated machinery rearranges the cooled bricks into dense, interlocking blocks for maximum stability during transit. A specialized strapping machine wraps high-tensile plastic bands securely around the stacked brick formations. The strapped brick bundles are automatically wrapped in thick, protective weatherproofing plastic film. Heavy-duty forklifts move the completed pallets out of the packaging bay and into the massive storage warehouse. Outside, long lines of flatbed trucks are loaded efficiently using advanced overhead crane systems. These durable structural materials are now ready for transport to major construction sites around the globe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.